How to use a different version of Python during NPM install. I have terminal access to a VPS running CentOS 5.9 and default Python 2.4.3 installed. I also installed Python 2.7.3 via these commands. I used make-alt install instead of make install. Then I installed node.js from source via these commands. The problem is, when I use npm install and try to install a node.js package which requires Python is greater than 2.4.3, I get this error. How should I pass the Python switch to point to Python is greater than or equal to v2.5.0?
You can use Python option to npm like so. Or set it to be used always. npm will in turn pass this option to node.js when needed. Note, I'm the one who opened an issue on GitHub to have this included in the docs, as there were so many questions about it. Smile.
Set Python to Python 2.7 before running npm install. Linux, Windows.
For Windows users, something like this should work. This one works better if you don't have the Python on path, or want to specify the directory.
Okay, so you found the solution already. Just wanted to share what has been useful to me so many times. I have created setv2 alias which helps me switch Python. Execute setv2 before you run npm install. The switch stays in effect until you quit the terminal, afterwards Python is set back to system default. You can make use of this technique for any other command/tool as well.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.